Welcome class, we will be going over your formative assessment over our counting coins lesson. So to review our lesson, you can watch this video called the coin song, and the coin song will go over the value and the name of every coin that we use for money under $1. So the song is a great way to kind of jog your memory about the lesson, and if you need more information about the lesson, that song will have everything you need to know to be able to answer all of the questions on the formative assignment. So let's go ahead and take a look at the student responses. So the first question said, after watching the video, how many dimes are in $1? So we have different answers. So the correct answer is 10. There are 10 dimes in $1. And so it looks like these two answers are off by quite a bit, so they are going to get 0 points. Moving on to number 2, what is the name and the value of the smallest coin? So penny and 1 cent would be the correct answer. So it's worth 1 cent and it's a penny, so we're going to give her the full point. That is not the right answer, so we're going to give some feedback. Now, this student is able to see the feedback that I give them over this. So then this student got half of it right. So we're going to go ahead and award half a point because they did get it correct, saying that there was a penny. So this student is going to miss half a point because they did answer the first half of the question, but they did not answer the second part, which is how much is the penny worth. And so that's important to be able to get full credit for it. Okay, what is the name of the coin featured in the picture above? So let's go back and look. Number 3, that is a quarter. So it looks like only one person got it wrong, 0 points, and this one is full points. Let's move to number 4. This is the interactive question where you had to do a drawing, and this is a great depiction of the drawing. It's a little messy, but as you can see, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and then 25 and 25. That is great. So we are going to give him full points, and we are going to say, great job. That was a job well done. Okay, and this one is also correct, so we are going to give full points. And same on this one. Great job, students. Okay, now to finish it out, the value of the largest coin, again we have, this is half correct, so we'll do half a point. This one is full, and this one is full. This one's half. She missed the label. So these questions are all going to depend on the picture and worksheet that was entered into the formative where you had to count all the coins. All of these students would have, with the exception these two, would have gotten at least some part of it wrong because there's no labels. So this would be an example of a great answer and one that you would look for. And these two would need some work. Otherwise, you guys did great as a whole, and I'm proud of your guys' work.